Okay, again, it's Tuesday, 19th of November, 2013. About quarter to eight in the morning. We've just removed the main entry doors. That was the last thing that we took out of the house. And go ahead. And Steve here is going to start right now. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, I can't believe that. Whoa. Steve has got the Cat 315, it's a 314C loader. Man, he just made mincemeat out of the shop area right there. Oh my goodness. Take a couple stills with my camera. Whoa, he just smashed out that living room window. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh look at this. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Too bad it's such a misty, moisty morning. Oh. Oh my God. Look at that. God, I don't think, not 3 minutes have gone by and a whole added section to the garage is gone. Man, oh man. Unreal. Hope there isn't anything that attic we want. Oh God. Whoa. Oh, there goes the ceiling in the living room. Oh, now the floor in the living room. I feel like going inside and getting some. I'm inside right now. Unbelievable. Look at this, he's going to pull the whole side off. Oh my God, look at that. Just pulled the whole side off the house. Yeah. Oh, there goes the living room. And the roof. Where that hole in the roof was. Just got the drone here. Whoa! Get him out over a little further. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. There we go again. Okay, that's the entryway closet we're looking at right there. It's right above it, the skylight in the entryway. Just a chunk right out of the roof. Whoa. More chunks out of the roof. ventilation up there, that's for sure. Whoa, that was the entryway closet, gone. There's the bathroom he's breaking into, the upstairs bathroom. The shower, you can see it. There it is, that was the shower he just broke into. Oh my God, just pulled it right out. Oh. Yeah. Here we go on the roof again. Whoa. Breaking into the clerestory windows. Here's another dumpster that has arrived. This is dumpster number 2. This ought to be interesting to see how he turns around here. Whoa. Oh my! That almost landed on him. Oh, there goes the solarium. Floating it. Oh. Got this dumpster, they're parking it right beside the other one here. Well, the solarium is gone. This is the last one coming down. Whoa! Oh my God, that's it. The roof is down. It's now 9:20 in the morning. He started about, a little bit before 8 o'clock, so on the side of an hour and a half or so, an hour and 3/4, he's got the house pretty much all down. Unbelievable.